This next lacing is a little more advanced. This is called a tornado lacing. It's actually just two circles that are woven together. So let me show you how to do this one. Again, campers should already know how to do a square and preferably a circle before they start this lacing. All right, so you're gonna need 3 colors to do this lacing. And when you cut this string, it's important that the string that is gonna be in the middle is longer than the other strings, because this one you will use more of it. So I'm gonna cut 2 of the strings the same length and find the middle. Then I'm gonna cut this one a little bit longer and find the middle. Then, just like when we're starting a regular square or circle, I'm gonna first place the 2 colors instead of 1 this time on my finger. Then I'm gonna make the cross with the long string. And just like with the other ones, I'm gonna wrap it around, except this time I'm wrapping it around 2 strings. So I'm gonna start with the one, I usually like to start with the one furthest away from me. Skip the first loop, go through the second loop, and pull it across. I'm not pulling it tight now. I'm just getting it like in the right place to pull it tight later. And I'm making sure that it's not twisted. All right, so then I get the other side of the blue and do the same thing from the other direction. Over, under, pull it straight across, make sure it's not twisted. All right, so now I'm done with the blue. I'm gonna pretend like it's not there. I'm gonna come over and do the yellow right beside it. Over, under, pull it straight across, but not all the way tight. And get the last side of the yellow, over, under, and pull it straight across. Make sure it doesn't get twisted there. There we go. So see, I've got 2 right beside each other. And the tricky part is when you pull them, you don't want to pull the middle string too tight, because remember, they've got to go beside each other. So I'm going to try to pull them all at the same time to where the blue and the yellow will fit beside each other, and I don't make the red string too small for that. All right, so that looks pretty good. So now, of course, do another one to help it stay. Now, they can do a square pattern where you go straight across, and it will make more like a rectangle shape. But if you want this twisting shape, then you have to do circle. So that means instead of going straight across, I'm gonna go to the corner, diagonal, and to that corner. Then I just keep following the same pattern. I like to start again with the one furthest away. Over, under, pull it across. Get it from the other side. Over, under, pull it across. Then push that one over, forget it's there, because these are not going to be intertwined. They're just going to be beside each other. They will naturally intertwine as you do it though. Over, under, last one. Over, under, pull it across. Then pull all of them tight. And I do like to do a few just because it's easier for them to hold it if you do a few for them. This one is an advanced one, so it's a little bit harder for them to get the hang of, but they can do it. I've had junior campers do it before. So then you would just continue until it got the length that you wanted it to be.